afternoon, ma'am and sirs. Gagawin ko ng interior view para sa GT3 RS 992. Hindi ako magaling sa Tagalog, so pasensya na. Pero try ko magawin ng review para sa kotse nito. Ito yung exterior niya. Yung rims ay stock. Ito yung gusto ko, yung wing. Active drag reduction system to, so pwede itong mabuksan or close. Tulad nito, yung mga actuators niya. So, ito yung loob niya. Madaming dials dito sa steering wheel natin. Tapos ito yung paddle shifters natin. Aluminum siya. Tapos malakas yung shift noise niya. Ito ay ang gear stick natin. Tapos yan yung dash. Start natin. Ito yung key niya. Hindi to key, pero i-turn mo lang. Ignition. And then starter. Oh, kailangan ng brakes. So, we'll go over yung mga knobs sa steering wheel. So, before you adjust it, kailangan nasa track mode kami. So, i-adjust natin dito sa drive mode, sport, and track. Racetrack pressures were adopted. So, nakaiba yung tire pressure natin dito sa dash. So, once nasa racetrack mode kami, ipindot mo to yung button sa gitna. So ito, ESC, TC, electronic stability control, and traction control. Porsche torque vectoring plus Porsche active suspension management. So we'll go from right to left. Electronic stability control. Pag napindot mo, labas dito sa dash. Yung sa baba ay ang electronic stability control. Tapos sa taas, traction control. Yung traction control pwede natin adjust all the way up to 7. Pwede natin i-turn off pag yung ESC, electronic stability control, ay off. Pero delikado yan sa street. Ito, Porsche Torque Vectoring Plus. Pag napindot mo to, pwede mong i-adjust yung coasting power or coast and power. If you turn the knobs, it will adjust it. Top one is for coast, yung baba para sa power. Pag napindot mo yung Porsche active suspension management, kaya mong i-adjust yung handling ng kotse. So sa kaliwa, i-adjust natin yung compression ng harap, tapos yung likod. Sa compression, yan ang compression ratio ng springs. So if you go over a bump, it'll be the ratio or the rate of how much the shock absorbers compresses. So yan yung rate niya. Kung gusto mong lambot or matigas sa harap or likod, pwedeng i-adjust dito. Tapos sa right side naman ay yung rebound. pwede i-adjust ng rebound ng harap or rebound ng likod. Yung rebound ay the rate of the springs when they return back to their original position. Lahat mga settings nito pwedeng i-adjust para sa gustuhan mo sa track or pwede man sa street pero mas maganda sa track. Ito naman ay ang cruise control natin. Opening adjust or set for long distance driving. Ito ay ang dash natin. We will skip the setup wizard. Dito, pwedeng mong iset yung settings ng car din. So, drive mode, sports exhaust system, we'll turn it on. So, mas maingay sa likod. Aerodynamics. You can't see it, but there's a front spoiler underneath at the bottom of the car that adjusts downforce. And then there's ito yung sa likod. That is the wing. So when you press it, dynamic. So we'll extend it. Kasi sa downforce, meron kaming DRS button. Pag napindot mo to, bubukas yung spoiler sa likod para mas mabilis sa straights. Gusto natin open yung spoiler para walang resistance sa aerodynamics and walang drag. So when you're going on the straight, you press this button and then it will say DRS ready. Now we'll go over the chronometer. Press this button. Yan ay ang chronometer natin. So, kaya natin i-time yung laps natin sa track. Tapos pag napindot mo to ulit, it will stop, it will go. And then ito yung lap button natin. So if it's going, press this, second lap, third lap, fourth lap. This will tell you there your delta. So we'll stop it. Pagkatapos sa track session, pwede mo sa sports chrono, stop recording, pwede natin i-evaluate yung lap natin. Tapos dito lumabas yung nakita mo yung circuit. Wala dito kasi hindi kami galaw eh. So, dito sa right dash, sport chronometer, map, trip, vehicle statistics, track dash, and sports modes. Power performance, when to shift, because ito yung peak ng torque or horsepower natin. Dito sa 8,500 RPM. Ito yung tire pressure natin, PSI and temperature, G-force meter, sport chronometer. And then dito sa left side, current position based on navigation, yung speed dial, aerodynamics, dynamic downforce, navigation. So, yung mga buttons dito, ito ay ang front lift, ito yung suspension, hazard, electronic stability control off, electronic stability control, traction control off. So front lift, raise the front lift, the front para sa mga humps kasi mababa yung kotse. Okay, so onto the interior, meron kaming fire extinguisher strapped in, secure kasi track car to, so kailangan dapat ng fire extinguisher in case of emergencies. Ito yung steering bucket seat natin, carbon fiber with padding. Comfortable ito, pwedeng mag long drive tapos hindi naman masama sa likod. Sa akin, 26 years old ako. And ito yung roll cage natin, Yan ay ang seat 6-point harness natin. It comes with the car kasi WiSec edition. Ito, WiSec RS. Ito yung roll cage natin.